Hello friends, this video is a complete tutorial for fertilization and germination of pollen grains. When the pollen sac of anther gets matured, it ruptures to liberate the pollen grains. Now this pollen grain falls on the stigma of the flower through self and cross-pollination. I'll soon upload a video on the topic self and cross-pollination. Now the further changes in pollen grains for fertilization only occurs when it has fallen in the stigma of the same species. Now what is fertilization? Fertilization is the fusion of male and female gametes. The process of fertilization begins after pollination. Now step by step we will discuss the process of the fertilization. So the first step is that the male gametes are produced by the pollen grains. In the second step, the ovule inside the ovary produces the female gamete. In the third step, the matured pollen grain gets stuck to the stigma. In the fourth step, the pollen tube grows out of the pollen grain carrying the generative and the tube nucleus at its tip. In the fifth step, the pollen tube keeps growing through the stigma and style by dissolving the tissues with the help of enzymes and reaches the ovary. In the sixth step, the generative nucleus divides into two male gamete nuclei. In the seventh step, the tube pushes through the micropyle and reaches the embryo sac. By this time, the tube nucleus disintegrates. The embryo sac contains the egg cell, pollen nuclei, synergids, and the antibodal cell. The micropyle is the opening passage for the pollen tube. In number 8 step, the pollen tube releases the male gamete and one of the male gamete fuses with the egg cell to form the zygote. In number 9 step, the other male gamete moves towards the pollen nuclei present in the embryo sac and fuses with them. Thus, 3 nuclei fuse together to produce endosperm nucleus. Thus, the fertilization process gets completed. As two fertilization has occurred, hence the whole process is also known as double fertilization. An ovary forms the fruit and ovule forms the seed. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you for watching.